friends. Now multiplications of any number by 125. 125 is equal to 1000 divided by 8. I am writing 125 is equal to 1000 divided by 8 because 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, remainder is 2, 20, 8 goes in 20 2 times, that is 16. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4, so number becomes 40. Now 8 goes in 40 5 times, so 125 is equal to 125. So we can write 125 is equal to 1000 divided by 8. Now example number 1, 32 into 125 is equal to how much? We can say the answer in seconds, less than 5 seconds we can say answer. 32 into 125 is equal to, I am writing answer just simply 4000. But how? Now instead of 125 I am writing just simply 3 zeros and divided by 8. Now 8 goes in 32 how many times? 4 times. And 8 goes in 0 times, again 0 and 0. So answer is 4000. So we can say mentally less than 5 seconds. Answer, that is 32 into 125 is equal to 4000. Second example we will see. Suppose 64 into 125 is equal to how much? Now simply we can say answer 8 goes in 64 8 times and 3 zeros. So that answer is 8000. Just cut this 125 and 3 zeros divided by 8. Now 8 table, 8 goes in 64 8 times, 8 goes in 0 times, 8 goes in 0 times, 8 goes in 0 times. So answer is 8000. Third example we will see. 128 into 125 is equal to how much? Now just cut this 125, add 3 zeros and divided by 8. Now 8 goes in 12 how many times? 1 time. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. That number becomes 48. Now 8 goes in 48 how many times? 6 times. 8 6 are 48 and remaining 3 zeros. So answer is 16,000. Now one more example we will see. Any number we can take. 4 3 2 into 125 is equal to how much? Now simply cut this 125 and add 3 zeros divided by 8. Now 8 goes in 43 how many times? 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 3. Now that number becomes 32. 8 goes in 32 4 times. Now 3 zeros, just write 3 zeros. So answer is 54000 is the answer. Next one more example we will see. 7 8 9 4 3 2 into 125 is equal to how much? Simply cut this 125 and write here 3 zeros divided by 8. Now 8 goes in 78 how many times? 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 8 1s are 8, 8 9 times 72. The remainder is 6. Now number becomes 69. 68 goes in 69, 8 8s are 64, remainder is 5. Now 8 goes in 54 how many times? 8 7s are 56. So 8 6s are 48. 8 6 are 48 and remainder is 6. So number becomes 63. Now 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. 63 minus 56 is equal to 7. That number becomes 72. 72, 8 goes in 72 9 times and remaining 3 zeros. Right? 3 zeros simply. So we can write in one step. 789432 into 125 is equal to 98679 000 is the answer for that. One more example we will see. 789 into 125 is equal to how much? Now simply cut this 125 and write here 3 zeros divided by 8. Now 7 goes in 78 how many times? 9 times. That is 72. The remainder is 6. That number becomes 69. Again 69. 8 goes in 69 8 times. That is 64 and 5. Remainder is 5. Now 50. That number becomes 50. Now 8 goes in 50 how many times? 6 times. 8 6 are 48. Now 2 is the remainder. Number becomes 20. Now 8 goes in 20 how many times? 2 times. That is 16. And remainder is 4. So number becomes 40. 8 goes in 40 5 times. So answer is 98625 is the answer. Now one more example we will see. Into 125 is equal to how much? 3 4 7 8 9 3 4 into 125 is equal to how much? In less than 10 seconds we can say the answer for this one. Just cut this one and write 3 zeros divided by 8. Now 8 table 8 goes in 34 4 times, 32, then 2. Now 8 goes in 27 how many times? 3 times. 8 3 is 24, 3 is the remainder. Now 8 goes in 38 4 times, that is 34, 32, and remainder is 6. So number becomes 69. Now 8 goes in 69 8 times. That number is 69 minus 64 is equal to 5. So number becomes 53. Now 8 goes in 53 how many times? 6 times, 48, and remainder is 8 goes in 53 minus 48 is equal to 5. So number becomes 54. Now 8 goes in 54 again 6 times, that is 48, and remainder is 6. Number becomes 60. Now 8 goes in 60 how many times? 7 times, 56. 8 7s are 56, 4 is the remainder, and 8 goes in 45 times. Now 0. So answer is 34434866750 is the answer. Now one more example you will see. 67893 into 125 is equal to how much? Just simply write here 3 zeros, cut this 125 divided by 8. Now 8 goes in 67 8 times, that is 64. 67 minus 64 is equal to 3. Now 8 goes in 38 4 times, that is 32. 38 minus 32 is equal to 6. Number becomes 69. Now 8 times. 69 minus 64 is equal to 5. 53. 8 goes in 53 how many times? 6 times. 48. So remainder is 5. Again 8 goes in 50 6 times. Now remainder is 2. 8 goes in 20 2 times, that is 16. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. Number becomes 40. Finally 8 goes in 40 5 times. So answer is 8486625 is the answer. Please subscribe and like it.